Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a traditional recipe for Puzhungal Arisi Kozhukattai. It's nothing but a savoury dumpling made with parboiled rice. Parboiled rice is also called as Puzhungal Arisi in Tamil. This rice gives a very springy texture to the dumplings. Please do not use raw rice for making this recipe. Wash and soak the rice for about 3 hours minimum. If you're planning to make this recipe for breakfast, you can soak the rice overnight too and it works well. Drain the water after soaking and add it to a heavy-duty mixie jar. A heavy-duty blender or mixie is preferred for making this recipe. The quantity of water used while grinding will determine the final texture of the Kozhukattai. For every cup of rice used, add exactly 1 cup of water while grinding. Too little water will give a really hard dumpling, and adding a lot of water will make the dumpling gummy. So use the correct measurement of water while grinding. Grind it to a really smooth and fine paste. Our dumpling batter is now ready. Set aside. Heat Indian-style sesame oil in a pan and add in some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and the chana dal. Fry till the chana dal is golden. If there are very young children or aged people at home, the chana dal is boiled and added instead of adding them during tempering. Boiling the chana dal removes the textural crunch while eating and also makes it a little easier to digest. You can add the chana dal according to your liking. Add in the curry leaves, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped onions, and some finely minced green chilies. Add in the salt. Make sure all these ingredients are finely chopped. If it's finely chopped, then it's easy to prepare and shape the Kozhukattai. You do not want a big chili or a curry leaf when you bite the dumpling. So take time and chop the ingredients as fine as possible. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are cooked and slightly starting to brown. Add little shredded coconut at this stage for a rich taste. The coconut is optional, but if you're making this recipe for the first time, do add a little bit of coconut because the taste will be so rich and addictive. Add in the ground rice mixture and stir with a spatula. Keep stirring continuously. The mixture will slowly thicken up. Keep the flame on low so the batter does not scorch while cooking. The rice batter will thicken up into a mass of dough. Once the dough starts to leave the pan and no more wet dough can be seen, it is ready. Set aside to cool a bit. Let the dough become warm enough to handle. When the dough is still warm, dip your hands in cold water and take small lemon-sized ball of dough. Press the dough a little to form oblong-shaped dumplings. Set aside. Place the dumplings on an idli plate or any flat plate steamer. I have used an idli plate lined with a wet cloth. Steam the dumplings on an idli steamer for about 15 minutes on a medium flame. The dumplings would become slightly glossy after steaming. Remove from heat. Our savoury Kongunadu style Puzhungal Arisi Kozhukattai is now ready. Serve hot. This can be served plain or with a simple coconut chutney on the side. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's me Suguna signing off, and happy cooking. Bye bye.